So be brave from the start here,
yep,
yeah?
Yep.
Big balls, I want to fucking see your balls from here. 10. If you're really lucky, I'll tickle them later.
Easy,
5,
easy.
4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking go! Into one left, don't over crest. And be brave, Ashley. 100, one right. 100 again, one left. This is one left, 130. One right. You can see the one right, 130 again, one left don't, 230, this is the one left don't, 230, go, 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 two left at the end, you can see it, two left at the end, you can see it, 130, steady up now, two right over bump, very long, into three right don't, into three right don't, into square right at trees, this is your three right don't, and at the trees it goes to square here. Well done, tidy, into two left don't, 80, two left don't, 80, and three left don't, two right, so three left here, two right, 60, three right over crest into sudden six left, sudden six left you're on, and five right opens into three right, continues long,
what is it?
Opens to three right, continues long, into three left don't, so into three left don't, and four right go, four right go.
Ooh, it's my fault.
Four right go, and one left over crest, 100, five left don't, five left don't, four right, five left, four right, and three left don't, 200, this is three left don't, 200, three right good, 100, line, 100 line, five left, five right, five left, five right, 60, two right and five left.
Sorry.
Yeah, two right and five left through dip. Don't. Into crest. Into two right long, 80, three right. This is two right long, got 80. At the end, three right, 60, hairpin left. So 60, hairpin left. And flat one left. Into six left in. So one into six. And it's an in, 80, three right into five right, so three right into five right, 100, square left carry, good, 100, square left carry, good, opens, and two left long, so it opens to two left long, into five left at the trees, five left, into five right, opens to one right. So this opens to one right long, 150, this is your one right, now you've got 150, four left, you can see it, four left, over crest, into three right, and one right, so three right here, and one right, into hairpin left, one right into hairpin left, go on the hairpin. Three right, good, 100, two right, 80 line, this is two right, 80 line, hairpin left, and hairpin right, so hairpin left here, and hairpin right, 60, this is your hairpin right, 60, four left long, opens, into two right, don't, into two right, don't, 130, this is two right, don't, 130, two left line, 130, five right, so 130, then you've got five right, 60, deceptive square right, and hairpin left good, 170, three left, tightens to four at trees, so it starts in a three and it tightens to four on trees your side, tightens, long, 60, hairpin right and flat left, hairpin right and flat left, into four right, 60, three left and four left, tightens long, so 3 to 4, and then it tightens long, and 6 right after this, and 5 left, 60,
come on baby,
this is 5 left, then you've got 60, 6 right, into square right don't, into flat 2 right, 130, 5 right don't long, so 5 right, don't, long. 60 over crest, and late 4 left, into 3 right, so late 4 left after this crest, and 3 right, 3 left, so 3 right, 3 left, 60, square right here, square right tidy, 4 right tight, into 4 left, tightens, so 4 right, 4 left tightens, and 5 left, 60 over crest, 3 right, 6 left, 3 right, 6 left, 100, 1 right over crest, 1 right over crest, 100, 5 right, and stay left for hairpin right, don't. So 5 right, then stay left for hairpin right, don't. Stay left for hairpin right, don't. 150. Mid-flat crest, no sorry, not flat, mid-crest and 4 right. Mid-crest and 4 right. And mid-crest jump, 60 down, 5 left tight, don't. 5 left tight, don't. 60, 3 right over crest, 130, 1 right. And you've got 130 after this, 2 right tightens to 4 right. So 2 right here, tightens to 4 right and 5 left. So 4 right and 5 left. Into 1 right, so Slippy continues from here, 1 right, into mid-crest, 1 right again, 100, 1 right again, 1 right again after this, 80, 1 left, and 5 right, so 1 left and 5 right, 3 junction, go, 60, 1 right, and 2 left over dip, 300 line, so 1 right, this is 2 left, 300 line, small crest, 150, so 300 here, then you've got small crest here, 150, 2 left, 4 right, don't, 2 left, 4 right, don't, well done, 60, 1 right, over crest, 130, 3 right tightens and slot 4 right, 3 right tightens and slot 4 right, slot 4 right here, 80, hairpin left, hairpin left, and 1 left long tightens, 1 left long tightens, to 5 left at the tree, so tightens to 5 at the trees, into 5 right, so 5 left here, into 5 right, and 6 left hook, tightens long, 6 left hook, tightens long, into crest, into 1 left, 100, so 1 left over this crest, 100, 1 left again, 170, 2 right, so you've got 2 right at the bottom, into hairpin left, Slippy maybe, hairpin left, Slippy maybe. 150, hairpin
right,
left.
mate. Hairpin right.
Shit, my bad, sorry, yeah, hairpin right, my bad, sorry. Slippy maybe continues, 150, 6 right into 6 left, 6 right into 6 left, Slippy continues here. 6 right, 6 left, Slippy continues, 130 line, 1 right, mid through bump dip 60, so mid through bump dip 60, then mid through junction 5 right. So stay on this road, then 5 right at the tree in front of you. And 1 left, long continues, 130, square left Slippy. So 130 after this, and then square left Slippy, square left Slippy. And 5 left, and 5 left, opens to 1 left long. So this opens, so you keep it on, to 1 left long. 60, hairpin right, good. So 1 left long, then you've got 60, hairpin right, good. And hairpin left, good. So you've got hairpin left here, loads of room. And 2 right, don't. 2 right, don't.
Come on.
Line 100, 4 right, into 4 right again. So 4 right here, into 4 right again, into 2 right, 100, so this is 2, 100, 3 right, long, into 1 left. So 3 right, long, into 1 left, 100, 100 after this, and 5 left long, 5 left long. Tightens, so it nips at the end. Into 4 right, continues very long, and it opens, tightens. So this is 4 right, very long, tightens, then it opens again. This is the tighten. Then you've got 60, 1 left over crest, into 3 right, slowing, and hairpin left. So 3 right and then hairpin left. 4 right long, 4 right long, and 60 over finish. So 4 right long, and keep going, 60 over finish, and crest into 1 right.
Good boy.
I like that.
Well done.
That was good fun, wasn't it?
Well done.